welcome in, guys. Going to make a video in response to a comment that came in on one of my truck bed tent videos. The gentleman made a comment. He said sometimes it's nice to have a ground tent so that you wouldn't have to take the tent down and put it back up if you wanted to or needed to take your truck, go sightseeing, go and do something, then come back to camp. You'd have to take it down and reset it. Very good comment. However, an incident happened to me whenever I was camping a couple years ago now, I think. I was set up, everything it was dark, and my wife called and said that there's an alarm going off at the house, and she couldn't find what it was, and it was driving her nuts, and she was going to have to take the kids, go and get a room or something. So I told her to hang on and I would be there. I was only about 30 minutes or so from the house, and so what happened was I was able to just disconnect the side strap downs and I was able to lift the the tent up and move it and set it down on the ground. So I'm going to make an attempt to do that again. If you want to use a truck tent, but you also need your vehicle to go do things, this might be a viable option. One thing that makes this possible with this particular tent is it does not have a floor in it. So even if I had my totes and everything in here, I will be able to lift this up off the truck bed, move it, set it on the ground. If I wanted to take my stuff out of the truck, I could bring all my totes out, put it on the ground, and just set this over top of it, and it would be just like a ground tent. You could actually use this for a ground tent, but you would have to provide some type of flooring, some type of tarp or something. So we're going to do that. All I'm going to do is I have to reposition the camera back a little bit, but I'm just going to disconnect all the side strap downs. I want to leave all the poles intact, and hopefully I'll be able to just lift it up and move it over like I did in emergency a couple years ago, like I did. So hopefully it'll work. Let's get started. Forgot about the inside tie downs. You got one on each side. So there you go. It was able to pull off. You just got 4 straps down the side, and then you have a lip that goes underneath the tailgate, and then you've got a little bit of flap that goes between the bed and the cab. That was what was holding me up. I had to pull it back out. It was getting caught down in there. But then it just pulls back up and sets down on the ground, and you don't necessarily have to disassemble it. 2 people would be a heck of a lot easier than 1, especially going back. But I'm going to make an attempt to put it back on the truck, and let's see what happens. So there you go, I'll time it, put it on the video. A little more difficult than with 1 person, but if you had 2 people working both sides, it'd be quick and easy to do. So that might solve the problem, because I love camping in the bed of my truck. It gives you more room. It's just a lot easier for me. I built a little platform, if you saw in the other videos, about how I set it up in my old truck, which was a 2014 Ram 1500. It had a short bed on it. This has a short bed on it. Actually, this is a 2026 Toyota Tacoma, and it actually fits this truck better than the Ram truck. It's not as tight. I had to be real careful about pulling it over the edges of the bed. This one I've got some slack that I can work with, so it actually fits better here. But I love sleeping in the back of my truck. So if you find yourself in a position where you need to utilize your vehicle, then just take it up, set it down, and you can put it over your stuff if you're in a campground. Or if you need to take your stuff with you, if it's all, you know, I put everything in totes and labeled because I tend to get organized too much. But because it doesn't have a floor, I just lift it up. I can leave all my gear in there. Now, if you had a bed cover, and I'm looking at putting a bed cover on this, that's why I was thinking about it. The bed covers that just fold, I think you could be able to put this right over top of it, and you would have a built-in shelf back there in the back. If it's one of the roll-ups, I still think it would work. You just have to pull it out over the edges a little bit. But in this Tacoma versus my 1500, like I said, I've got slack on each side, so I think it'll just pull right over top of the bed cover, and I think it'll work fine. If you've done that before, let me know. Put it in the comments. Help other people out. If you got any questions, drop them in the comments, and if I can answer them, I will. I hope this helps. Thanks for stopping by and watching.